Finding the perfect bed frame can be frustrating, right? Dealing with squeaky joints or flimsy frames that barely hold up is no fun, and it can seriously affect your sleep and damage your mattress. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 bed frames that can tackle these common issues. Want to know more? Check out the links in the description below. Let's jump in. Starting at number 5 is the Furniture of America Vivienne Modern Bed Frame, a piece that's as stylish as it is functional. Picture this, a queen-sized frame with a cozy rounded headboard wrapped in soft buccal fabric upholstery. This 100% polyester covering doesn't just look great, it adds a warm, luxurious touch to your bedroom. Now here's where it gets exciting, the adjustable headboard. You can set it to 2 heights, 45.1 or 43.1 inches, making it perfect for any mattress thickness. And it's built to last, supporting up to 500 pounds with 4 sturdy central support legs to keep things stable. Plus, the 10.3-inch floor clearance isn't just about looks. It allows for better air circulation under your mattress, keeping it fresh and long-lasting. Oh, and with 12 durable slats, you can skip the box spring and still avoid that dreaded mattress sagging. Of course, there are a few things to consider. The trendy white buccal fabric? Gorgeous, but high maintenance. You'll need to clean it regularly to keep it looking fresh. Some users also mention that the assembly instructions, especially for the adjustable headboard, could be clearer. And yes, the price tag might be a bit steep compared to other options. Taking the 4th spot is the Amazon Basics bed frame, a practical, no-nonsense choice for anyone prioritizing functionality over flair. Ever struggled with complicated setups or frames that won't fit your lifestyle? This frame's tool-free assembly and folding mechanism make it a lifesaver for frequent movers or apartment dwellers. Now, let's talk storage. With 13 inches of vertical clearance, you've got plenty of space to stash those extra boxes or off-season clothes. The steel construction? Rock solid, supporting up to 700 pounds in larger sizes, making it a reliable fit for most mattress types. And here's a standout feature, no box spring needed. That means less cost and less hassle, with a design that prioritizes noise reduction, a relief for anyone tired of squeaky metal frames. That said, it's not perfect. The basic design might feel a little too plain if you're after something more decorative. Some users have mentioned that the center support could be sturdier for heavier mattresses, and the edges, they can be sharp during setup, so handle with care. While it's marketed as noise-free, a few customers noticed occasional squeaking over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Allewie Upholstered Platform Bed Frame, the perfect mix of style and storage. Tired of clutter piling up in your bedroom? This frame comes with 4 built-in drawers, giving you practical space for seasonal items or extra bedding, all neatly tucked away. But it's not just functional, it's stylish too. The fabric upholstery with diamond button tufting adds an elegant touch that complements any bedroom decor. Plus, the adjustable headboard, which works with mattresses between 6 and 14 inches thick, ensures a perfect fit. Assembly? It's a breeze. The frame arrives in one box with all components included. And here's the best part. No box spring required. That means you're saving money and maximizing space with reliable support. Now let's talk about a few areas for improvement. The drawers, while handy, could be more spacious. They're fine for linens, but might fall short for bulkier items. Assembly can also test your patience. Getting those drawers aligned just right takes some effort. And while the fabric is decent, it might not match the quality of higher-end options. Lastly, the color. It may differ slightly from what you see online. What's your take? Is this the bed frame for you? Let me know in the comments. Your opinion could help others make the right choice. Taking second place is the Mellow solid wood platform bed frame, and this one truly blends style and durability. Looking for a bed frame that's both beautiful and sturdy? This mid-century modern frame features a 3.5-inch solid wooden build, bringing visual appeal and lasting strength to your bedroom. The natural wood finish and clean lines easily complement a variety of bedroom styles. It's a frame that can fit any room aesthetic. But wait, there's more. This frame comes with non-slip tape on the wooden slats, ensuring your mattress stays exactly where you want it. Plus, it can handle up to 440 pounds, making it a reliable choice for most mattress types. And here's the kicker: no box spring needed, which means less cost and hassle. When it comes to assembly, you'll be up and running in under an hour. It's super straightforward, and with a 5-year warranty backing it, you can rest assured the manufacturer stands behind its quality. However, a couple of things to consider. The frame sits pretty low to the ground, limiting your underbed storage options, so keep that in mind if you're looking for more space. Some users have mentioned that the wood finish on less visible areas doesn't quite match the quality of the exposed surfaces. While the non-slip tape works great at first, it may need replacement over time, and there can be some minor creaking sounds that usually go away with the right assembly and tightening. Taking the top spot is the ZINUS SmartBase metal platform bed frame, and it truly checks all the boxes when it comes to practical features and incredible value. Looking for a bed frame that's both sturdy and budget-friendly? This heavy-duty steel construction eliminates the need for a box spring, providing exceptional support without the extra cost. But that's not all. With 13 inches of clearance underneath, you've got tons of storage space for those things that just don't have a home. And assembling this frame? Super easy. You don't need any tools, and the intuitive design makes it simple to set up, even without help. It supports up to 750 pounds for single sizes and an impressive 1,500 pounds for larger options, giving you peace of mind and long-lasting support. Here's a nice bonus. Plastic caps on the legs protect your floors, addressing a common frustration with metal frames. And with a 5-year warranty, you're getting the same coverage as some of the high-end options out there. Now, there are a few things to consider. The industrial design might not be everyone's style, especially if you're after a more traditional or ornate look. The height of the frame can also make using a bed skirt tricky, though if you're using the space for storage, that might actually be a plus. Some users have also mentioned that the center support could be sturdier for larger mattresses, and while the metal construction is solid, adding a little extra padding might help prevent mattress wear over time. Ready to upgrade your bedroom? These bed frames offer solutions for various needs and budgets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement tips, and check out the description for direct links to all the featured products. See you in the next video.